Okay, so I think we can start. Today is just going to be an intro session. Okay, so next week Accenture varanga illaya. So what we are going to do is uh, we have lots of papers ma. I'll just share my screen, just hold on. Okay, so as you can see, we have latest papers with us. Okay, what they did in other cities also recently last month and everything, we have the latest papers. So I'm just going to open each one and show you how the questions are there for Accenture. Okay, so this one was done in on 23rd August in Mumbai. Okay, so we have verbal ability, 20 questions, 20 minutes. Okay, it's done by a company called Merit Track. Okay, so just increase the font size. Okay, so we have fill in the blank type of questions for verbal. We have choose a single word closest in meaning, then again fill in the blanks. Then we have reading passage, okay, reading comprehension. Okay, after that you have technical questions. Okay, then of course this may be reasoning and aptitude. Okay, so this is again reasoning, logical reasoning. So just to give you an idea of what kind of questions they ask. Okay, as for verbal ability, I'll be taking, or Ms. Siji Joseph is there, or one Praveen sir is there. So three of us will handle verbal. For aptitude, Sendil sir, Megla ma'am, and who else is there? Naresh sir will be taking. Logical reasoning, Abhinaya ma'am will be taking class. Okay, so we have these classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, so 3 days a week till Accenture company comes. I think next week they are scheduled, right? Do you guys know the exact date? End of the month. Okay, I heard sometime next week. Okay, anyways, so till then we'll be having this training 3 days a week. Okay, so we will see as many questions as possible from these papers. Plus, we have a huge database of questions. I'll open each one and show you. These are all different papers that we have. So there are two companies that conduct the test. One is Merit Track, another one is CoCubes. Okay, this is CoCubes pattern. I think during your uh, what is that crash course itself, we did a few of these questions, I think. But again, there's nothing wrong to go through these again. Okay, this is only verbal ability. Okay, one more I'll show you. So we have two sets like that. Then one more. See, for verbal ability, these are the topics you'll get only from these topics. So we have synonyms, antonyms, spotting errors in a sentence, then spelling, then analogies. You guys remember analogies? A is to B. Similarly, what is the analogy? They give you four choices. Then you have sentence arrangement or para jumbles, jumbled sentences. So you have to rearrange the order of the sentence. Then we have plural forms, idioms and phrases, active passive voice. Okay, then we have subject verb agreement, those kind of questions related to grammar. Then we have fill in the blanks, sentence completion, single word or maybe two words also, two blanks also they may give, but mostly it comes as a single blank. Okay, so then we have odd word out, of course, RC, one word substitution. That is, they give you a sentence or the meaning, and then they ask you which word it is, basically vocabulary related. Then sentence improvement. So in this, one wrong sentence is given, then they give you four uh, choices. Out of that, one is correct in grammar. So you need to choose that. Then, of course, subject verb agreement and tenses are all related to grammar. Question tags. This is another new type of question. And then joining sentences. That is, they give you two sentences and ask you to frame one sentence using a connector. Okay, these are the types of questions you will face in verbal ability. Okay, then, okay, let us see what else we have. This is another one. So here you have some aptitude questions. So this all the aptitude faculty will be taking care of. Okay, these are all latest paper questions. Okay, so it will be very useful for you. See again, aptitude, latest aptitude questions. With the explanation, all details are there. Uh, there are a huge number of questions available over here, as you can see. Okay, these are all latest questions. Then logical reasoning. Okay, then three papers are there, full length papers. So we have verbal ability, then analytical ability. This is another section, 20 questions, 20 minutes. Okay, this is basically aptitude. Then another one is, okay, this is one new one. Section 3 is attention to detail. Again, so 11 questions, 11 minutes, very less time. So this is reasoning, basically, logical reasoning. Okay, that is one. Then this is again something related to reasoning only, verbal reasoning. Okay, so these are the types of questions you will encounter. So we have three papers there, lots of material available. Once you finish all these, definitely you can get through Accenture paper. Okay, we also have some technical questions. We can share this with you, not a problem. Okay, something related to computers. Okay, and programming. So these are the different types of questions they can ask. Polymorphism, all that stuff is there. See, encapsulation. Ah, yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure. No, no, I'm just showing them what materials we have. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, students, this is Meghala, ma'am, our HOD. So she just wants to speak. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I'm in presentation mode. Okay, hold on. I'll just go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so let me go back to sharing my screen, ma'am. One second. Okay, so where were we? Okay, so I was just telling you about some types of technical questions these guys ask. Okay, so we have a list of these also. We can share this with you. Okay, so otherwise, see, basically, how we have planned, I'll tell you. Uh, the topics that are here in terms of verbal ability, ma. Okay, so if you see these topics will be taken by one faculty, these topics by another faculty, and I'll be taking these topics. Okay, so are you guys ready to um, go through some questions now today? Yes, ma. Can we see some questions now? Okay, great. So please be responsive. Anybody can give the answer. I don't want to, force somebody to answer any question. So we will see some of these questions that I have over here. So we have sentence improvement questions. So excellent, fine, good. Um, can anyone answer first question? So here, what you have to do is only three-fourths of the work are complete. This is a sentence, something is wrong with this sentence. So they are asking you to improve it to make it grammatically correct. So which choice is correct? Ah, so whenever you have one fourth, two fourths, all these, part, when you have parts, you have to take it, even though S is there, it looks like it is plural, but you have to take it as singular. So C is the correct answer. Okay, good. Next, second one.